In this video, we are going to show you how to download and install UiPath. Firstly, go to Google and search UiPath and click the first output. Secondly, click button Try UiPath for free. Then, you will be asked to create an account, fill in your information accordingly. Once you have created your account, you will be directed to another page which you can click here to download the installation package. Click on the installation package once finished downloading, click option Quick and accept the terms in the license agreement, then, just click Install. After completing the installation, click Launch UiPath Studio. You will be asked to log in your UiPath account at your first login. In order to do so, click the icon next to button Minimize Windows, then click button Sign In. Click button Sign In again in the installation page. You will be directed to a web page and click Open in the pop-up box. Finally, you will be directed back to UiPath Studio and the icon will be changed as your account name. That's all for the installation. We are all good to start our automation projects. This channel is going to publish automation projects and tutorials regularly. Please comment below to let us know types of processes that you want to automate. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe our channel if you want to master RPA skill sets.